7. The climate in our country. In this chapter, we will learn about the three main seasons of India: summer season, monsoon season, winter season, and do MCQs, fill the blanks, true or false, WH questions. Study climate of your town, city. Go on a field trip. Hone our life skills. India is a big country with different types of land surface. The climate is also different in different parts of the country. Some parts of the country are extremely cold, while other parts are warm at the same time. Some parts have a heavy rainfall. In others, they are famine for want of rain. Also, some parts of the country face floods repeatedly year after year. Weather is the state of air at a place for a short period. Climate is weather prevailing for a long period. It is the seasonal pattern of hot and cold, wet and dry condition for a long period. Most of India has three seasons: the summer, the hot season, the rainy season, the monsoon season, the winter, the cool season. The clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live. Summer season. The summer season lasts from March to the end of June. The northern plains get the greatest heat. Temperature often rises to 49 degrees Celsius. In the northern plains, the months of May and June are almost unbearable. But the northern mountains are cool or cold depending on the altitude of the place. In summer, the days are long and the nights are short. In the northern plains, the hot winds called Lu blow at noon and in the afternoon. Dust storms are very common in May and June. The southern part of the country is hot in summer, but not as hot as the northern part. This is because the southern part is surrounded by the sea on three sides. The winds coming from the sea keep the coast and areas near to it fairly cool. Some areas receive a heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. In summer, we have mangoes, the king of fruits. Monsoon season. The rainy season lasts from the middle of June to September. During this period, monsoons, seasonal winds, blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The rains first starts in the south in early June. By the middle of July, heavy rains cover the whole of India. It rains very heavily along the west coast and in the eastern and northeastern parts of India. Musanram Cherrapunji in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. The average annual rainfall in our country is about 120 centimeters. The general distribution is very uneven. Parts of Meghalaya receives over 800 centimeters of annual rainfall, while some areas in Rajasthan receive less than 10 centimeters of rain in a year. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. Here, it rains between November and January. Winter season. The winter season in India lasts from October to February. By the end of October, days become shorter. The sun is far from overhead at noon. So the days become cool and nights cold. South India has a very mild winter. The season is pleasant in coastal areas. But high hills become very cold. Even the northern plains become very cold. Snow usually falls in the mountainous areas during this season. As the altitude increases, temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius, that is, below freezing point. January is the coldest month in India. By the end of March, it begins to be warm again. A major part of India remains dry during the winter months. An exception is the coast of Tamil Nadu, which gets heavy rainfall during this time. Winter is the season of apples, oranges, and leafy green vegetables. New words. Loo, a hot wind. Drought, long period of dry weather with little or no rain. Recap. Climate is different in different parts of the country. Weather is the state of air at a place for a short period. Climate is weather prevailing for a long period. The summer season lasts from March to the end of June. The weather is hot and dry. The rainy season lasts from the month of June to September. It gets very cool during these months. The winter season in India lasts from October to February.